all of them have come with no preconditions. I was very clear from day one that it is difficult for us to give any kind of commitment on anything. So all of them have been very clear that the only commitment that they want from the government and from me as Chief Minister is a commitment to develop their constituency, the commitment to give them large developmental projects, to ensure that the different schemes are given to their constituency and to their people, and that is the only condition that each and every one of them had. And I have been very clear, and you must have seen in terms of my action also, that I have stuck to those commitments. In the last year, large number of projects, whether it's a new block in Mohati or different large road projects, have been taken up in almost all the constituencies of the three MLAs who have joined. And similarly for Khlem constituency also, will continue to work the same.